very special today because I am in the company of very special HR leader, human relations, happy relations, and harmonious relations, right? I am feeling resourceful because I am in the company of a top leader, LinkedIn voice, LinkedIn leader, and not just that, world over top 100 leaders, and that 40 under 40, like so many awards she has won. And she is very special because she is not doing for name and fame, but she inspires with every post. And more than all this, she's a possibility giver, possibility thinker, and possibility gift on the planet for all of us. She's Gauri Das. Welcome, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ग्रेशियस इंट्रोडक्शन और आपके जो 3 H है ह्यूमन हैप्पीनेस एंड हार्मनी ट्रूली अमेजिंग थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी ओवर
ये
और
सारे
आज
आपसे
राखी का
कॉपीड
दिन है और हम मैचिंग में हैं
ये गॉड का गिफ्ट है. So I'm very charged, inspired, and you are a huge inspiration, a silent inspiration. You have so many fans which you don't know because you touch lives, you move hearts with your posts. They are so beautiful and simple. And you are a speaker. What is the secret? Please tell us.
Yeah, so secret, like we were discussing right before this show, हम हर चीज स्टार्ट होती है चाइल्डहुड से. लाइक आई सेड यू हैड एन अमेजिंग स्कूल इन चाइल्डहुड एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर सो अमेजिंग. So for me also things started from childhood and I was an extreme introvert. So मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा introvert थी कि I would not even say yes madam to the roll call. I would just raise my hands and sort it because I would always think that people will judge me the moment I open my mouth. And why so? Because I came from a village and English medium में मेरी studies नहीं हुई थी. So when I went to a large city for engineering, not very large city, but Indore is in Madhya Pradesh. So this college had students from all across the world because this was second ranking college in Madhya Pradesh. तो सब लोग इंग्लिश में बात करते थे और बड़े लोग थे सारे एंड आई वुड बी लाइक बात करने की हिम्मत नहीं होती थी. Then I slowly I started thinking कि अगर मैं ऐसे ही रहने वाली हूँ then I would not be able to manage anything. And ये जो possibilitarian आपने बोला शायद वो बचपन से ही था. So I had dreams in my eyes that though I did not have privilege of a great school or I do not come from a very privileged background, but I need to make a mark for myself so that others who are in similar situation can get inspired, can relate to this story, and they also move forward. So a lot of hard work on it. Language was a problem. Changing the way you are. I mean, personality totally would not change, but you adapt. So adaptability and having this possibilitarian attitude is what has really helped me along with blessings of my parents.
बहुत सारी हैं. And not just parents. I know that universe put the seeds of greatness in you, and you watered them and you grew to be a super role model, not just for one, two family or your village, but for the world around. And you're a global speaker. But you tell me, what are your top 3 values? What makes you you?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to acknowledge आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली that universe gives these seeds to us and we have to water it. So सबके पास है capability, everyone is fully well equipped. We have to just ignite that passion. So number one, my value is respect for self and others, and this came from childhood. And there's a story which I would like to share. So I used to stay in this factory, and people from all walks of life would come in, mostly village people who are villagers. And I was youngest amongst three siblings. और जितने भी बच्चे थे आसपास में उनसे भी आई वॉज यंगेस्ट यंगर सो पैम्पर्ड बहुत ज्यादा थी मैं so I disrespected the support house support who came to our home, and my mom said that you should not do it. And she told me once, she told me twice, पर मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आया, मतलब वो पैम्पर्स इतना ज्यादा हो गए थे. So then she decided to teach me a lesson. It was not hitting, if you thought so, but she started insulting me. She started speaking to me in disrespectful way. I was around 9-10 years old, and even at that age, I could connect कि मुझे कितना बुरा लग रहा है. And when I was not feeling good about it, I realized how others who are older than me would be feeling when I behave with them like this. So respecting for others came from there, and respecting from self came from my mother again. So we are from Eastern UP, and you might be aware that that's not a place where women are respected or they get education or there is any value for them. But still, my mother is just eighth pass, but she still created such an aura, and she created such a huge respect for herself that everybody respects her irrespective of where they are coming from. So those were two most important values. And then later on, adaptability became my value because I told you so many things in my life and I had to continuously adapt to new places. Also, I have stayed in 7 Indian states.
Wow.
Being at 6:37, you got to be really adaptable. Otherwise, जब तक आप market पहुंचोगे, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा. So these are 3 values that I would count for myself.
So beautiful. And stories, incidents are blessings. And I also felt that you made me feel that yes, every happening is a blessing. Every happening is a deeper spiritual lesson for us to evolve. Thank you for that. Now, quick, short answer. What is growth to you?
Growth is having that inner satisfaction and supporting others. If you are gaining everything for yourself, that's not growth, that's achievement, and it's only restricted to you. But if you can share it with others, if you can make a difference to somebody else's life, that's growth for me.
What is passion for you?
Passion is whatever you are doing, do it to your fullest.
What is compassion?
Compassion is, it starts from self. You have to love yourself first because self-awareness is important. And when we start knowing ourselves, we start rejecting ourselves because we see a lot of weaknesses. We don't focus on strengths. As a society also, we are always told you are not good at this, do this. Nobody tells us leverage your strengths. So when we start knowing ourselves, we start hating ourselves, and that happened with me. So for me, compassion is self-compassion first and then supporting others.
Yes. What is success?
Success is when you get up in the morning and you think that you are going to support these many people, and by end of the day, you could do at least half of it.
Very good. What is the secret of success?
Secret of success, I would say, is learning agility, passion, and perseverance, grit, because nothing comes easy in life and nothing is difficult also. Life is full of opportunities and challenges. We have to pick our own bit.
सीखते रहो. So learning and lage raho. So सीखते रहो
Lage
and
raho,
lage
yes.
raho. You made it simple, and there are so many, TED talks on this. Lage raho is the mantra.
Yes.
Perseverance. Great. Okay. Now, your 3 happiest moments.
Yeah, so most of it would be from childhood. One is related to this village where we used to. So in village, they have this concept of a weekly heart, and I would go with my mother. And why would I go carrying that extra luggage? Because I would get that extra plate of pani puri, which my brother and sister would not get. And today is Rakhi, I'm missing it. So they would not get it. And on the way, whatever has been bought and can be eaten, I would eat that. So that is one of the happiest moment. It's also because I'm getting more, but it's more so because I they are getting lesser than me. So that is one. And then second, when I used to be very upset at home, I would go to a papaya tree. That was my best tree. So there were so many trees around, but I would go exactly to that papaya tree. I would not go to mango tree whose shadow would actually cover it. But for me, the most important one was papaya tree. So whenever mama is upset, papaya tree is my mom. So that used to give me a lot of happiness. And third happiest moment is reading. Whenever I'm reading what I love to read, it becomes very happy moment for me.
Your favorite book?
My favorite book is Art of Possibilities.
वो किसने लिखी है और उससे कुछ दो लेसन हो जाए?
Yeah, it's from Egon Zender. And the lesson that I get is number one, there are 12 lessons there, but the first one which connects very well with me is give yourself and others a grade. So the moment you think that the other person is doing the best, whatever they can, you start having a different set of thought process for them. If you are thinking that they did not try to help you, you will have a negative feeling associated. But when you know that they did whatever best they could, you automatically start loving them. So give yourself also you are the best, and then do your things. And likewise, give a to all, everybody else in both professional and personal relationships, so that they are already doing the best. And हमने देखा है हमेशा जैसे ही हम अपनी thought process change करते हैं, relationship भी change हो जाती है. So it always creates more and more possibilities. And second message is about possibilities, that you have to create possibilities for yourself, and limitations are only in the mind. Otherwise, it's all limitless.
I am becoming greedy now. Though this was my aha moment. Give yourself A and give others A. This is double joy. So if you can tell us little more mantras from the same book, I think it is interesting.
Yeah, there are 12 mantras from this book, but these two really connect very well with me. It's the kind of this guy is a pianist, or he runs some concerts, and he teaches students there. And from those lessons, along with his partner, who is a psychologist. So it's a combination of music and psychology, and that's where the book is amazing.
Great. And your favorite movie?
Favorite movie is Three Idiots.
Why?
Yeah, the lessons that the movie gives.
आप इंजीनियर हो ना, इंजीनियर है ना. चलो लेसन्स बताओ.
लेसन्स भी जो उसने दिए हैं, lot many parents change their thought process.
अच्छा?
It was released. Sorry.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मतलब so many parents I met with who said that this movie really changed me. Few friends also said that at home there were changes. So if a movie can revolutionize things, nothing like it.
And you know what? You are Lady Baba Ranchod Da Chachad. Your favorite song?
Favorite song is this is again a childhood connect, when my father would always sing it for me when there's a challenge. Um, we will cut it, right? I'm forgetting that song currently.
Nice. I will not cut it. We will go like this only. Natural.
Just a moment.
You can Google.
Yeah, I'm just Googling.
We should be natural, celebrate.
Yeah. नहीं याद आ रहा. Sometimes it happens.
Perfectly fine. Yeah. So now quick one-word answers. What is
Yeah.
life in one word?
Life is about living every day.
What is happiness?
Happiness is family.
What is love?
Love is kindness.
Kindness. What is kindness?
Kindness is empathy.
Gauri in one word.
Possibilitarian.
That's बहुत. See, when I read your profile, I was very enthusiastic about this word. And every moment I could feel, yes, you are gifting possibilities. You are an example of possibilities. You're very cheerful. And I also liked the word growth, networking, knowing people, and also from passion to compassion. So I thought I will only talk about this. But then my aha moment was your happy moments, the Pani Puri moments, and and also the book moments. So I'm very, 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 very thankful to you. And I wish you super, super, super best. You keep inspiring millions and millions and millions with your posts, with your smile, with your work, with your vibes. Like Ramana Maharishi also. And you're a Buddha, smiling Buddha, a mix of both. So thank you so much once again for gifting me this opportunity and being a part of this show. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And here's the song. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही. So thank you so much. I really enjoyed this time with you, and you're so calm, so cool. I mean, always smiley. I just love this overall thought process, and it's good to know from where it's originating. And you need to be like this because there are only few people who are doing it. Thank you so much for having me here, and thank you so much for your time on this discussion. Thanks a lot.
It is all the magic and power of blessings of all elders and every soul on the planet. Plus, now our moment number 2 was life is a journey, and it came from this song. Let's keep walking with a smile.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.